So we got all the mods installed yesterday. The car's looking amazing, lowered with the suspension and everything. But there's one thing that I really want to do to it, being my first new car, and it's protecting it. The paint is gorgeous, the car looks amazing, but it can go away like that, especially on the freeway if you're behind like a big rig. And I'm talking about rock chips. You know, you can get a bunch of rock chips, get paint defects, get all these things that are like missing paint on your car, and it's gonna be bad, scratches and all kinds of stuff. So I decided to go ahead and send it, and we got the full frontal PPF from XPEL. So we're gonna be doing the bumper, both fenders, the hood, the headlights, the mirrors, and I think that's gonna be perfect. So if I do decide to take it on track, it's gonna be protected, because on track, the cars with really sticky tires up in front will always fling rocks at you. And that's how I broke my windshield on my FRS that last time I went to a track. So, leave the car there, and it's going. Hello, hello. Good morning, sir. Good morning. We are at Higher Quality Detail to get the PPF installed. Car got dropped off, and we'll be back later when it's done. All right, driving up to it. I like how I have it like just chilling right in front. All right, so we're back at Higher Quality Detail, and the car is ready. We got the PPF done. We had them do quite a bit of things, so let me show you guys what we did. So the whole front bumper is all PPF'd. You can barely see the little line right there. We got the fender done. The headlights were also done, PPF. We got the whole hood done all the way, because I don't like it when it ends just like right here and then you see that ugly line. I just didn't want to have that line. And then they did the fender. Oh, it looks like they even added this little piece here, this piece here. I don't think they did the side skirt. I think they just ended there. So these two pieces, the fender, did the mirrors as well. And then they also did this section here, the A-pillar. Oh, looks like they did it all the way up here. You can barely see the line. There you go, see it there. So that way, when you're on track, when you're driving around, no more rock chips on any of that stuff. I wonder if they did that. That's something they do. No, doesn't look like they did that. Yeah, I'm excited. It makes the car look even shinier with the PPF on it. They were supposed to do the tint, but their guy wasn't in. Apparently he got COVID, so it didn't really work out for him to work out for them to do the tint, because the tint guy wasn't in. So let's go inside and go pay.